Iso pa aja nga kuat je. Nya, iso pa aja bi.
Good morning, class. So, bago tayo magsimula ngayon, I would like you to meet someone. She is transferring here. Welcome, Iris. You may sit down.
Go. Uy, baka palaging late yan. Hindi nakakarinig eh. Sino siya?
Stop it, Liam. Hindi nakakatawa. Grow up. Liam, stop it. Hindi nakakatawa, ha? I expect respect in this classroom, class, okay? Mr. Blancha, why are you late again? Go find your seat.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry.